Hello. Today I'm going to show you a fast, simple, and effective treatment to relieve the symptoms of knee arthritis. Osteoarthritis is the most common type of knee arthritis. Osteoarthritis is also called degenerative joint disease, degenerative arthritis, and wear and tear arthritis. Osteoarthritis is characterized by the breakdown of cartilage in the underlying bone within the joint, along with the appearance of bone spurs. Osteoarthritis eventually leads to pain and stiffness. Osteoarthritis is usually diagnosed by X-ray or MRI scan. There is no known cure for osteoarthritis. Treatments include rest, strengthening exercises, herbs like curcumin, anti-inflammatory medications, and knee replacement surgery. Whichever approach you choose, the Knee Arthritis Miracle Point can help relieve symptoms and get you back into the game. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in Acupoint Physical Medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The Knee Arthritis Miracle Point is located the width of 2 fingers below the kneecap. To locate the Knee Arthritis Miracle Point, most people find it easier if they sit down. Next, place your index finger and middle finger at the bottom of your left kneecap. Then find the location that is just below your middle finger. Now move the width of 1 finger towards the outside of your leg. Then press in to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the Knee Arthritis Miracle Point. It might be slightly higher, slightly lower, or to one side. Activate this point by rubbing it 5 times quickly. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now locate the Knee Arthritis Miracle Point on your right leg and repeat. If you have been sidelined from activity because of knee arthritis, don't despair. The Knee Arthritis Miracle Point is intended to help. I suggest that you give this point a try for the next 60 days. Use it when you get up in the morning, then use it before and after any activity that might stress your knee. And if you know someone who has been diagnosed with knee arthritis, I encourage you to share this video with them. It is said to have a protective effect as well as reducing symptoms, and it just might produce a miracle. Till next time, this is Dr. Barrett signing off, yours for health naturally.